What's going on, everybody? So we fixed my no start issue. I was cranking the motor over, it would turn over. Turns out that is a pretty common problem on this car. It is the camshaft position sensor. Looks like that, sits in the car like this. That's the orientation. Really simple job, maybe 5 minutes. It's literally one 10mm bolt and one plug. This whole thing just comes right out. Very easy to do. It's about $58 from Advance Auto. I think the dealer wanted like 120, so I just priced it out online at the dealer. Sometimes when you go in there, they'll work with you. Also, common problem on this car is the oil pressure switch. This one's new, I haven't put it in yet. Take the alternator off, and there is the oil pressure switch. If you look closely, mine's leaking oil out of the top of it, which is no fun. So that was about $11 from Advance Auto. So yeah, that's just kind of an idea of what I'm going to be doing here. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and fire this baby up, see if she'll go now. Is it oil pump, or a fuel pump, I should say? Yeah, fire right up. Good to go. So yeah, that's a pretty common issue that I see. A lot of guys with a no start. It happened to me once before, but I was able to get it to eventually start like the next morning. It just seemed like it didn't like cold weather. So if you happen to notice in the cold weather your car doesn't want to start up, it's probably the cam sensor. It was kind of random like when it would do it, but it would fire up the next day. So I mean, it's kind of strange. Also, you'll smell a ton of gas if you sat there and flood your car out while you're turning it over and it won't start. So yeah. There you go. Sounds pretty healthy, and it fired right up. So that's kind of what I'm after. If it's gonna sit here and crank all day and I'm not going anywhere in the car because it's not gonna start, that's really not fun. So for a little teeny tiny amount of money, I mean, well, I don't want to say teeny tiny, $50 is $50, but it's not that bad in the grand scheme of things, for it not to start. All right, well, catch you on the next video. Shut this down for today.